Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Samsung upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra leaks in all its glory with the full specs and some images. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, expected to arrive on August 5 next month, has leaked several times before, but today the flagship has leaked with its full specs and image, giving us a very detailed picture. According to German blog WinFuture, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will pack 6.9-inch WQHD plus 90 by 3 by 9 120Hz dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display with a punch hole in the center for the 10 megapixel selfie camera with a dual pixel autofocus and a fingerprint reader underneath for the biometric authentication. The Note 20 Ultra will be the first smartphone to feature Gorilla Glass 7. Around the back, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will pack a triple camera setup comprising 108 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto units. The primary camera will record 8K video and come with the omnidirectional and laser autofocus, whereas the telephoto module will feature a periscope style lens offering 5x optical zoom and 50x space zoom. Since Samsung decided to drop 100x space zoom that featured on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Under the hardware, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will have Exynos 990 SoC in Europe, which will be paired with 12 gigs of RAM. The smartphone will have 256 and 512 gigabytes UFS 3.1 storage option, and it will come with the micro SD card slot as well for a storage expansion. On the software front, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will boot Android 10 with One UI 2.0. It will also get automatic OneNote synchronization and optimized cloud gaming via Project X Cloud thanks to the Samsung partnership with the Microsoft. Additional Note 20 Ultra user will have access to 90 games titled via the Xbox Games Pass, making its portable gaming console. Fueling the entire package will be 4500 mAh battery that will go from flat to 50% in just 30 minutes with the bundled charger. Other highlight of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra including S Pen stylus with 9 ms latency, 5G support, USB-C 3.2, Bluetooth 5x and NFC, Wi-Fi 6, dual frequency GPS, Samsung DeX IP68 rating, wireless charging and AKG tuned stereo speaker. The Note 20 Ultra will also come with a dual SIM card slot and support eSIM functionally. It will be offered in the latest two color, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black, and will be priced higher than €1,000. So this is the latest update about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Note 20. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this new Galaxy smartphone? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.